Hey, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gerald Lazar. I'm the dean here at Yeshiva Orchaim. I oversee student activities and provide our students with academic guidance. And I also oversee the school's admissions. So this means I have the privilege of meeting every student who applies to the school. Then when they're in the school, helping them with decisions surrounding course selection and ultimately supporting them in choosing their post-secondary programs. I very much enjoy the opportunity to welcome students into the school and ultimately help navigate them through high school and into their post-secondary lives. Overseeing student activities allows me to cultivate leadership in our young men. It's a pleasure to work directly with our students. Our school community prides itself on developing students who are warm, helpful, and community-minded young Jewish leaders. After today's program, if you're interested in applying, I would encourage you to follow the next steps handout in your folder and apply online by our deadline of Tuesday, November 14th. Applying by that deadline includes a $100 application fee. After that deadline, the fee becomes $300. So that's a good deadline to hit, Thursday, November 14th. There are two parts of the online application. There's a general application and then a portal to submit some documents that are listed in that handout. And we ask that those documents are submitted by the following week, November 21st. Once we have received all those documents, we'll schedule an interview for your son. All interviews are conducted during the school day. There's no need to prepare anything for the interview. They will meet with Rabbi Shostak and learn a Gemara or Tanakh selection as part of that interview. But again, no need for advanced preparation, and then they'll have a general discussion with you. On Sunday, December 8th, we require all those who have applied to write admissions test, which will help provide us with a standardized academic overview, and that's a component of our admissions process. To best help you best set up for an acceptance, in our package we have created a short summary of some actionable items that students can help to do to ensure that they do gain acceptance.